Slope of VI graph is resistance R. Always you have to take the tan theta is equals to R. For whichever the line there is a more angle, for that resistance will be more and also temperature will be more only. So always you have to consider the line which is having the angle with respect to which axis? Current, with respect to the current. If you take that as with voltage mathematics, you will get 1 by R. Not the R, we will get 1 by R. So in the whenever you take VI line, for that VI line you have to take the angle with respect to the current only. For example, current is given on the Y axis. Then what you have to take? You have to take the angle with respect to again Y axis. Clear? That is about the VI graph we have discussed, and then I said that is important also. You have to identify the lines for which there is a more temperature and then there is a more resistance. That is about the Ohm's law we have discussed. After that we have discussed the color coding. Color coding, do you remember that? Yes? Tell me the coding. B.B. Roy, Great Britain, very good wife, gone with Shreyas to New York. Gone with Shreyas, Shivakumar and Nobel. 3 members. So, from where you have to start? 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Up to 9 only. Anything wrong? Yesterday. Okay, with and then matte W kuda tagondidini. So W, that is 9, and then here these are what? Tolerance percentages, that is 5% of tolerance, 10% and then 20%. So and also we will say this one as, we will have this numbering also 10 power minus 1, 10 power minus 2, here nothing will be there. For example, they have given this colors in the third line only. Let me take the first 2 lines will be there, right? First 2 lines gives you what? Numbers you have to write as it is. Third line is what? 10 powers, right? In this 10 power only they have given, for example, silver. At that time you have to take it as 10 power minus 2. I think I missed yesterday this one. So gold is 10 power minus 1, silver is 10 power minus 2. Nothing but here always there is no guarantee that always they will give these colors only in this third line. Third stripe might be these colors also. In this colors, for example, this third stripe is given as a gold now. What is that value? Let me take, this is a blue and then this is a red. Now tell me the value. Blue, first of all, blue is how much here? 6. Red is 2 and then into 10 power gold is how much? Minus 1 ohms. That's it. That is a 6.2 ohms. That is the resistance value. Okay, there is no guarantee that always the third stripe might be these numbers only. The third stripe might be these colors also. If no color is there means there is no value. No color, they will not give the stripe like that. They will give gold and then silver. Gold given means 10 power minus 1 and then silver given means 10 power minus 2 you have to take. Black is 10 power 0, brown is 10 power 1, red is 10 power 2, orange is 10 power 3, yellow is 10 power 4 and then green is 10 power 5, blue is 10 power 6, violet is 10 power 7 and then grey is 10 power 8 and then white is 10 power 9. You have to take that numbers for the color coding, and then the last stripe gives you what? Tolerance. What is the tolerance means? The amount of heat it can tolerate. That is about the tolerance. That might be gold and then silver, or that will be no color. That is about the tolerance and all. This is what we have discussed yesterday, color coding, and then we have seen the previous year problems also. And after that we have seen the, what is that, basic combinations of resistors. In the series combination, RS is equals to, what is the formula we will get? R1 plus R2. The most important thing is, in series combination which will be constant? Current will be same. In the parallel combination, voltage will be same, potential will be same. So in series combination I said that current is same, I is same. I is same in series combination. In that, which will be different? I is same means voltage will be different obviously. Do you remember the formulas? V1 is equals to, what is the formula we got? VR1 by R1 plus R2. V2 is equals to VR2 by R1 plus R2. Yesterday so many people asked one doubt that they have given 2 resistance values, that is 4.2 volts and 2 voltage values, 4.2 and then 3.6, like that one problem is there. And in that they have asked, I think, radii ratio. They have given the length ratio L1 is to L2. Have you done that? So many people ask this doubt. L1 is to L2 they have given, that as how much? I think 2 is to 3, I guess so. 2 is to 3 is the ratio of the lengths, and after that they have asked the radii ratio. And then nothing they have given, they have not given anything here, but they have given the potentials across the individual resistors. Potential across the first resistor V1 is how much they have given as 4.2, and then next one is 3.6. And asking to find out what radii. Before that you have to find out the resistance first. To find out the resistance, I know the V1. I know even total voltage also. How much total voltage is here? 4.2 plus 3.6, how much it will be? 7.8. Out of my 7.8 battery only, one resistor is taking as how much? 4.2 voltage, another resistor is taking as a 3.6 voltage. And then they have given this question, and then they are asking the ratio of their radii. So to find out the radii, first of all you have to find out the resistance. For finding that resistance, first of all V1 is given and then V2 is given. From this formula only we will substitute. Now V1 is how much here? 4.2 they said. V2 is how much? 3.6. Total voltage is how much? 7.8. So the total voltage is 7.8 and then 7.8. Resistance gets cancelled, sum of the resistance. Then this will be how many times here? 7 by 6 times. 6 7s, 6 6s, correct? Then here 7.8 also gets cancelled. Then what is remaining for us? 7 by 6 is equals to R1 by R2. We know the resistance, 2 wires they have given, 2 resistors, right, they have given. 2 wires problem. What is the resistance proportionality? R is directly proportional to L by A. R is equals to rho L by A only. 2 given means. Only 1 given and then stretching means? 1 given and then stretching. What is the? R is directly proportional to L square, inversely proportional to A square. Whenever 2 wires are given, at that time R is directly proportional to L, inversely proportional to A. Yesterday in the exercise problems also you might be seen that drawn like that they have given. One word drawn like that, stretched or drawn. So in that R is directly proportional to L square, inversely proportional to A square. And some of the people are doing one mistake, that they have given one percentage problem, that is 400% like that they have given. The strain is 400%. Strain nothing but what? Delta L by L is 400%. 400 nothing but above 5% or below 5%? Above 5%. Then what you have to do? You have to apply the proportionality and then just do -1 for that. That's it. You will get the answer there. Now for this problem, whenever you come, R1 by R2 is equals to what I can write? Nothing but for the first one, rho L by A. So that L1 by A1 divided by L2 by A2. L2 by A2. Now I can write it as L1 by L2 into A2 by A1 nothing but R2 square by R1 square. Pi R2 square by pi R1 square. Pi gets cancelled. Then what is remaining here? 7 by 6. This ratio is how much they have given as? 2:3. 2 by 3. That's it. You will get the answer here. How much this is? 21 by 12. That's it. This ratio correct or wrong? No. So it will be root. So root 21 by root 7 by? It will go like this, na? Okay. 2 sir, right? Brain work ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Correct? ಏನಮ್ಮ? By Ohm's law only. How it is? Okay, V equals IR, then R is constant. I is constant. Okay, V is directly proportional to R. V is equals to IR. I is constant. V is directly proportional to R. R is equals to rho L by A. Directly you will get, na? Yes. I think same only we have even done. But this one R1 by R2 ratio we got from here actually by the distribution method, and then this is from, okay, directly. Very good. Then that is about the series combination. And then here current was same and then voltage was different in a series combination. Whenever you come to the parallel combination, voltage is same, current is different. I said you have to take always the formula R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. In this I am saying that voltage is same and then current is different. How to distribute the current then? I1 is equals to what I can write? I R2 by R1 plus R2, and then I2 is equals to I R1 by R1 plus R2. I said this one already. For the voltages same numbers will be there. For the current different number will come here. Here 1 means here 2 will come. That is what the current distribution we have seen. And also we have seen the 3 resistor combination also. In parallel combination, if you have the 3 resistors, at that time what is the formula you will get? R parallel is equals to R1, R2, R3 divided by R1, R2, R2, R3 and then R3 and then R1. That is what the parallel combination of the 3 resistors we will get. This is about the different methodologies we have seen about the parallel and then series combination. After that we have seen some problems also, from where we have to minimize the circuit always. Closing side, always you have to consider the closing side, and then from wherever you are starting there should not be more number of whatever the wires, nothing but whatever the branches, only one should be there in the shape of L. Only you have to get the equation, you have to get the circuit. Whenever it is there in the shape of L, then only you can close it. For example, number of wires are there, so that will be parallel combination, and that parallel combination will be ended at the different points, so that you cannot get the answer that much easily. Clear? That is what different problems we have seen. Next one, next problem. Next variety problem in combinations. RAB, RAC, RAD. Down you will not be able to see. Tell me the answers. Here also resistors are there. Tell me what is RAC? 3R. 3R. No. No. It's not 3R. No, it's not 3R. Do that. We cannot get the answer by seeing. ಎರಡು ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಐತ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗಿದೆನಾ ವಾಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಐಡಿಯಾ ದೇವರ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ರೆಡ್ ತೊಗೊಂಬ, ಬ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ತೊಗೊಂಬ. So look at the board here. What's the answer? Which one? AC na? ಒಂದು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡು. ರಫಾಗಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವ. Let's see here. So in this mainly removal method will start from here. Okay, you have to remove some resistance to get the answer. So mainly you have to understand which one I have to remove. Why I have to remove only this one? How I can remove? That is what the where you have to remove, how you can remove, and then why you have to remove there only. Those are the main reasons you have to understand. So for that, first of all, whenever the current is traveling from here, between which points I am asking here? A and C. A and C nothing but this is the initial point and then this is the final point I have to guess. I have to get the current. The current entering here is equals to the current leaving here. That is what you have to get. We are giving the current at A and then we are taking the current at C. Now whenever the current is traveling here, let us consider, then what happening here, it is getting divided here and then here, it is going here, it is dividing, and then it is going here, it is dividing here, then it is going, it is dividing. After division, what happening here, only one of the current is coming in this direction. Whatever the current I am giving, that I have to take back again, then only this charge will be conserved. So here whenever the current direction, if you take here, the current is going in this way. From A current is going and then from C we are collecting the current. So from A whenever it is going, it is splitting in this two directions. Then what happening, nothing but this one will come here, obviously will collect there, and then this current is going and then splitting here again, and then this current is going and then splitting here again. So this current is going and then splitting here again. So here which currents will come back? This current will come back, so that it is there. I want this one. This current is coming back again, so that I want this one. So both of the currents will be coming here and then they will mix and then they will go here. Together they will go here. Now this current also coming and then that is also coming in this direction. This current also I can able to collect this one. Whenever you see this current, whatever the current you got here, will you able to get it back again? It is open circuit. The circuit should be always closed only. Okay, so you cannot get this current, so that only I am cancelling this resistor. Now whenever the current is coming in this direction, at that direction also it will split again in two directions here. Whichever the direction the way is open, it will go obviously. Okay, it doesn't know that I have to go in this way only, I have to go that way only. But which resistors are affecting your circuit? From which resistors you are able to collect the current, that is important there. So that here this current is coming and then this is splitting here, where this one is going? Nothing, I am not getting this one, so that I will not take this one also. You understand, right? So my circuit became like this now. The circuit became like this, just close the circuit here, that's it. You understand right now? Yes, sir. And then last resistors you are removing means, then remaining solve, already you can able to solve that. This is R and then everything is R here. From where you have to start, from the closing side and then get the answer now. How much? 3R by 4 from here. Yes, sir. So this is 3R and then this will be how much till here? 3R by 4, 3R by 4 and then 3R by 4 plus 2R. That will be how much? 11R by 4. 11R by 4 and then R is in combination, parallel combination. 11R by 4 into R by 11R by 4 plus R. Then R gets cancelled here. What will get here? 11 by 15R. Correct? 11 by 15R till here 11 by 15R will be there. And then after that again in which combination this is? Series combination again. 11 by 15R plus 2 we will get. Pratika. 11 by 15R plus 2R. How much it will be? 40? 41 by 15, 41 by 15R. Then again which combination here? Parallel combination. Again how much you will get? 30 you will get? 70 41 R divided into R by 41 divided by 15 plus R. 41 plus 15 is how much for us? 56 na? 56 we will get. So that 41 by 56 R here. Then again this one which combination? Series combination. So that 41 R by 56 plus 2 R. That is the final answer. That's the final answer here. 153 R by 56. Yes, that's correct. We'll change some values here. Why? Because it is little difficult values are there. You understand this, right? How to remove the resistors? You are able to always you have to track your current directions. So from where it is going, how it is splitting, and then how you are able to collect it. That and all you have to observe, and then you have to get the answer. Clear? Then how much for what is the final answer? 153 R by 56. That is about the first one, that is RAC. Now tell me what about the RAD, RAB and all. RAB first of all tell me. RAB. Now you have to decide which resistors you have to remove. RAB. Current has to leave at A and it has to be collected at B. Which resistors are wastage here? All the down resistors are. Only first and then last. That's it. These are closed circuits here. Whenever the current is coming here, it can able to go here like this. The current is coming here, it is able to go like this. You are understanding or not? So that only which one are waste here? First one and then this one is C and then D arms. So whenever you remove these two, then your circuit will become like this. This is how your circuit will be. Got the answer? Understand first of all why I have removed those two resistors only. So listen here, if I take the current here, if I take the current, I am taking the current from here and then collecting from here. So that is what my intention here. A should be there and then obviously B should be there. Next after that, which you have to remove. So for that, here the current is entering and then splitting in two directions, in this direction and then in this direction. Here this current is coming and then here also it is splitting in two directions. But is there anybody to collect this current here? Nothing. So that we have removed this one. Then this current whatever is going here, that will come here. Even the current from here also will come here. And then again it will split here. It will split in two directions. One direction is coming in this direction. Another is going in this way. Again splitting in two directions. Again this one and then this one together are going here. And then this one is splitting here again. And then this current is coming like this and then this current is going like this. Then together are going in this way. In this way anybody is there to collect? Nothing. So that this is cancelled here. Then which are valid? Nothing but here this A and then B arms are valid. And then you have to take all the closed circuits also. So this is your circuit now, circuit diagram now. Take the resistors as it is again and then solve for the equivalent resistor. What is the answer? 17 R by 4. From where you have to start? How to do that? From where you have to start? Always closing side, right? Always closing side, nothing but you just start from here. Just start folding from here. So whenever I see these two resistors are in which combination? Series combination. So how much it will be? 2R. Now this 2R in which combination for this? Parallel combination. 2R and then R means how much you will get? 2 by 3R I think. Correct? 2 by 3R you will get. So this is 2 by 3 R and this is R. Which combination those are? Series combination. And also here above one more resistor is there. Now I got this as a R and then this is another R. Here totally is how much we got? 2 by 3 R. 2 by 3 R. Those are which combination? Parallel combination. So parallel combination nothing but what I can get here? 2 by 3 R into R by 2 by 3 R plus R. Nothing but how much will get? 5 R by 3. So that 5 R by 3, R gets cancelled, then 3 also gets cancelled. Then what is the answer will get? 2 by 5 R. That is what we will get. For one junction. For another loop, how much you will get again? Same only. There is no change in that. Same only you will get. Again you got for this one also same. So that like that how many are there for us? This entirely is 2 by 5 R. This one also much? 2 by 5 R only. Can we do that like that? Huh? No, it will be different, no? It will be different, I guess so. Here resistor is not there. Wait. Whenever you go from the back side, whenever you fold here, then what happens? Again same answer, no? You will get. Whenever you fold the circuit here, what you are getting here? 2 by 5 R only. Whenever you fold from this side and then you fold from this side. So step by step we will solve. You will get confusion otherwise. Step by step we will solve. You understand right how we have removed the resistors? You understand? The end resistor should be always, that should be closed. From where you have to collect, that should be closed. So here this is open and then this one is open. This one is open but you are collecting the current there only. So that only you have removed D and then C arms here. Then whenever you see our diagram is becoming like this here. Actually I have taken the toughest values actually. R and R means it's becoming tough. Correct circuit? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, now. See that you have to close from one end. Any one end you can close. I am closing from here. Whenever I have R and R in series, nothing but how much you will get? 2R you will get. So that now circuit is becoming like this. This is 2R and then this is how much here? R only. And then here what happens? It will come like this. ఎక్కడ రెసిస్టర్ లేదు ఇది లేదు yes like this you will get and then this is R and then this end also R only. Now whenever you see this and R in which combination? Parallel combination. But here one more resistor is there. This one is splitting here. You understand or not? So before that what you will do? Nothing but you just fold from here also. This is R and then this is R. Again how much it will become? 2R only. So my circuit will become now like this. Like this it is becoming. But here whenever I want to take this one, nothing but here one more resistor is there here. That resistor is making it not to be parallel. But these two are in which combination? Parallel combination means again one more is there here. You understand or not? This end to end is not connected. See that two ends are connected here. But one more two ends are not connected there. They have connected across the resistor, right? Our parallel combination should be what here like this. Nobody should be there. Always they should be parallel to each other. But in between what is there here? R is there. Clear? So that this is R and then even if I take these two are also in parallel. But here what happening? One side ends are connecting only. Another side ends are not connecting here. So that what happens? Nothing but here the current only will not enter here first of all. The current will not go like this. Then what happens? Nothing but it will go directly straight away. Why? Because the symmetry is there here. See that here and then here the potential difference will be same only. What happens? Whenever the current is entering in this direction, it has to come here and then this current also has to come here. But here if you consider the circuit, these two are parallel, okay, we can solve. And then whenever you consider these two are parallel, we can solve. But what about this resistor in between? You understand or not? And also to take them as parallel, here one more resistor is there. Directly these two ends also should be connected like this. But here in between one more resistor is there. Then what happens? Nothing but current will not split here. Current will not split over here. Directly it will go. You know the Wheatstone bridge concept? In Wheatstone bridge what happens here? Like this it will be there. P, Q, R, S will be there. So what galvanometer will shows? Galvanometer will shows the zero deflection. Zero deflection whenever both the resistors ratios are balancing with each other. See that here P by Q is exactly equals to how much here? R by S. Nothing but nobody is going in between them. You are understanding or not? So our Wheatstone bridge formula you know right already. Wheatstone bridge nothing but what? P by Q is equals to R by S whenever the galvanometer will shows zero deflection. Zero deflection nothing but current is coming as how much? Zero. Current given as 0 means here whenever you see the same concept only, here also I have taken the 5 resistors. In that 5 resistors I can say that P by Q is exactly equals to R by S. Obviously this ratio is how much here? R by R is how much? 1. This R by R also how much? 1 only. Then what happens? Nothing but P by Q is exactly balancing with R by S here. Whenever it is balanced, at that time current will be shown how much? 0. Where it will be shown? Galvanometer. Galvanometer nothing but in between. Galvanometer will also have some resistance that will be how much? Rg. In that current shown is how much? 0. Nothing but there is no current is entering in this. Directly current is going in this way and then in this way. So that what happens? Both are becoming, these two are becoming in which combination? Series here. These two are also becoming as what? Series only. Both are becoming as what? Parallel combination. Actually I forget about these values. Values are different here. Values should be different. Here this is R means this will be 2R like this it will be there. I will just take that values again. Okay na? I will let you know this problem. Okay na? Just keep it like that only. Leave that. We will change the values. By equal values it will not come. The values will be different, I will tell you later. Phone here. Just erase everything whatever you listen till now. Delete button, delete all. Delete all allama, matte fluids, solids ella hogutte. Right, next problem. Okay, it's okay. It's okay, it will happen sometimes. Again, shape ee tara bandide. Yes, find RAB. Find RAB. What is the answer? By seeing, don't tell me the answers. Just solve and then get. In air, you cannot solve these problems. Three. Any other answers then? The correct answer is 2. 2 ohms is the correct answer. 9 banta Yuvaraja? Uday illalla nimge? Adake ಆ ಥರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 2 ohms is the correct answer. How many of you got the 2 ohms? Raise your hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very less. 6. Very less. What is the reason? Good. What is the reason? ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಏನೋ ಒಂಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ. So I said to find out RAB. Listen here. RAB I said to find out. To find out the RAB, first of all you have to keep it as it is. You should not touch it. RAB nothing but between A and B you have to keep the resistor as it is. You should not touch that. And then you have to minimize the circuit. Minimize the circuit nothing but where is the possibility? Here if I consider this corner. At this corner we have too many branches. 3 branches are there, so that you cannot take directly there. If I take this here, again same thing only, 3 branches are there, you cannot get the answer easily. If I take even this here, again 3 branches are there, you cannot get the answer. Whenever you come here, how many are there? Only 2 are there, only 2 branches are there, so that I can close the circuit easily. Whenever I see immediately, okay, I can get to know that this is in series combination. But whenever I see this junction, okay, at this end they are connected, okay, that I can take parallel. But what about the other ends? Other ends are connected different resistors, so that you cannot take. Remember that wherever 2 sides are there only you start the problem. That's it. Okay, here 2 sides are there, here 2 branches are there, I can start here. Now these 2 are in which combination? Series combination. 6 is the answer here. 6 and 6 are in which combination? Parallel combination. So that what is the answer here? 3 you will get. Net is 3. Then again 3 and 3 are in which combination? Series combination. Together is becoming as much 6. Again 6 are in parallel combination. Together is becoming as much here? 3. This 3 are in series combination. Again 6 it is entirely. 6 in parallel becoming as much? 3. 3 in series becoming as 6. 3 in parallel means 2 is the answer. Always remember that 6 and then 3 lucky numbers that you will get always. Okay, now 6 and 3. Why? Because 6 3 is 18 and then 6 plus 3 is 9. 2 is a lucky number for us, so that 2 will get here. That is the 2 ohms is the answer. That's it. Finished. Entire problem is finished. Clear, right? We should not spend more than 20 seconds for this. So here, look at that again. Look at the problem. You have to search for the corner from where I can start the problem. In that corner, you should be connected with the 2 resistors only. If you search this one, how many resistors are connected here? 3 resistors are connected. You cannot solve anywhere except this one. So that only here 2 resistors are connected, so that this 3 are in series combination becoming as how much? 6. 6 and then before 6 was there here, I have removed that, 6 was there. 6 in which combination? Parallel combination becomes how much? 3 only. Then again we got the equivalent resistance as 3. Now this 3 and then this 3, which combination? Series. So that what is the answer here? 6. This 6 and then this 6 are in which combination? Parallel, become how much? 3. 3 are in series becoming as 6, and then 6 are in parallel becoming as 3, and then 3 in series becoming as 6, and then finally 6 are in parallel. So that answer is how much? 2 ohms is the correct answer. RAB is equals to 2 ohms. While I am telling about that as 3 and then 2, you don't concentrate on calculating the value in the mind. Okay, 6 into 3 is 18 by 6 plus 3 is 9 means until unless I have gone to 2 loops already, finished. Okay, na? I will tell correctly only. If I am not telling correctly, you people only will tell me to me. There is no problem in that. Just follow what I am doing and then what I am minimizing here. Okay, don't spend your time to calculate the value and all. Clear? That's the correct answer. For you people it will be easy, I think. Right, next problem. You understood, otherwise shall I explain slowly? I want 100% students to understood. Yes sir, you understood? Whoever don't know about the basics of the combinations, you are able to understanding that. See that you just concentrate on where I am minimizing the circuit, that's it. You don't concentrate on the value. You don't calculate in your mind that okay 3 plus 3 is 6 and then 6 how it is becoming as 3, that and all you don't calculate. You just listen where I am doing what I am doing here. Value is not necessary for you. You have to know the methodology first of all, how to do that. Clear, right? Then next problem. Find the answer. That will be easy only. How much? 10 by 4. 8 by 5. 4, 4, 4. 8 by 5 you are getting. How much? Not 8 by 5. 4, 4. That is 2, 2, 8. 8 to 16 by 10. 7.5, huh? E is equals to I, or I is equals to 12 by 1.6. I think 30 by 4 you will get. 30 by 4 is nothing but 7 point something only. 30 by 4 is the correct answer. You are getting that? 7 point something. 7 point exactly how much? 7.5. How many of you got that? Raise your hands. 7.5. Very easy only. Why remaining people are not able to follow that? Somewhere you are getting confused. See that? Look at the problem. I will explain this one slowly. Understand properly. Now here, whenever you come to this circuit, first of all you leave about this voltage and all. Leave about the ammeter and all. First of all take the combination. Here net resistance will be how much? That is important for you. So if I take that exactly combination of the resistors there, this is a given circuit, actual circuit is given, and then here 4 and then 4 is there, here 8 and then 8, 8, 8 is there. Now whenever you consider, let me take this is point A. If I take this is point A and then this is point B, I will consider. Now this resistor is connected to which one? See that, observe carefully, don't consider the place. I am talking about the terminal. For which terminal it is connected? Last bench, what happening there? Varun, what happening? Varun, what happening? Why you are talking? Go out of the class, get up. Get up first, go out of the class. Get up, you are not able to listen. Why you people are talking while teaching the class? Here 100 members are there, how can I concentrate on each and every member? If you are talking means I will look at you only, my problem will go. Keep quiet in the class. Some of the people are not able to get, I am thinking that how to teach slowly that and all, but your problem is yours only. Listen while teaching the class, in my class first of all, you want to sit means sit, otherwise go means go. But whenever you are sitting, listen properly. So here, whenever you take, this is a point A, and then if this is point A means, can I say this entire terminal is point A only? Why? Because if I apply the voltage V here, then here also how much will be there? V only, here also V only. Why? Because nobody is there except wire. Clear? Now, can I take these two resistors and then connect here like this? So that I will remove this one and then I will connect exactly like this. Is there any problem in that? See that? Now I have taken this two resistor terminals here and then here I have connected. Then after that, these two are connected to only one point here like this, and then these other two also connected to one point only. Can I say this? These two are parallel combination then? Yes, like this exactly my circuit will become like this. 8 and then 8 like this. And then at this point only, I have another branch, that is how much? Here also 8 and then 8. These two are also connected to point B only, that is how much again? 8 and then 8 only. 8 and then 8. Then after that I left the 4. Where it gone? 4 also connected to which one here? 4 also connected to A only. So that I can get, this is point A and then this is point B, means I can get 4 here. 4 here. Then again this 4 also connected to A and B only, so that again the 4 is connected to A and B only. You understand the circuit, right? Equivalent circuit now. So here 8 and 8 are in parallel. How it is parallel? First of all, you take point A. Count how many resistors are connected to point A. One is this 8, 2, 3, 4. 4 resistors are connected to point A only. And also at point B also how many are connected? 4 resistors only. So this 8 and then 8 I will just combine them parallelly. Why? Because one end is already connected directly. Another ends are connected directly, again indirectly they have connected. So that I have just reduced the circuit like this and then I have taken and then I have kept like this. Then again this 8 and 8 also I have reduced like this and then I kept like this here. Then your problem is what here? All the 4 8s has to be connected. See that all the 4 8s are has to be connected. 1, 2, 3, 4 are connected here like this directly. Then at point A who are there here? 4, 8, 8 and then 4. So that 4, 8, 8 and then 4 are connected to which point here? A only. Then at point B again same resistors, other ends are connected. So other ends are connected here. Now whenever you see, this is which combination here? Parallel. Parallel 8, 8 nothing but what is the answer? 8 by 2 that will be. R are connected in parallel mean nothing but the answer is R by N. So that this will be how much here? 4. This is 4. This is also how much here? 4 only. This 4, 4 and which combination here? Series combination. Series nothing but what I can say here? 8. Now my circuit became like this. This is 4 and then here 8 and then here 4. These 3 are in parallel. So don't do directly again R1, R2, R3 and all. You just see that 4 and 4 are equal here. Whenever they are equal, then can I say this 4 will go like this here? Any problem in that? However, all are connected. Now this becomes how much here? 2 only. Why? Because 2 are in parallel combination. Now this 2 and then 8 are in which combination again? Parallel combination. So this is 2 and then this is 8. Then what is the answer here? 16 by 10. 16 by 10 is a net resistance here. R net is equal to 16 by 10. Now our diagram entirely becoming as this one, R net, and then voltage here, here ammeter is there. Voltage is how much here? 12 and then this is how much here? 16 by 10. Now I is equals to what is the formula for us? I is equals to V by R. V is how much here? 12 and then R is how much? 16 by 10. Then how much will get here? 120 by 16. Nothing but what is the answer? 7.5. That's the final answer. Next one, next problem. You are copying that? Copy it first. Right, next problem. Very easy one, next one. See that. What's the answer? RAB. Six is the correct answer. That's it. By seeing itself, so only I have given the easy values here. Instead of giving R, I have given easy values here. So that always remember that 6 and then 3 gives you how much? 2 only, always. Parallel combination, it will be 2. In series, it will be 9. So here, RAB you have to find out for this. Now I don't want to touch A and B. Why? Because I have to find there only. So from where you can close the circuit now? From the top end, right? Closing side only. So now here, this 3 and then 3 are in which combination? Series combination. Become how much here? 6. So that my 6 ohms is coming like this. Now 6 and 3 are in which combination? Parallel combination. 6, 3 parallel, nothing but how much it is? 2. So that then this 6 and then 3 is becoming as 2. Now entire circuit is becoming like this, 2 and then 2 and then 2. So what is the answer here? 6 is the answer entirely, that is 6 ohms. That is about that, very easy problem. Then next one we will see the removing method problems. Find the equivalent resistance between terminals A and B. Terminals A and B. What is the answer? How to get the answer for this? From where you have to close the circuit? From where you have to solve? What is the answer? R? No? Wrong? Yes, very good. Very good. 2R by 3 is the correct answer. So that there is no chance to close the circuit here. Understanding or not? Everywhere three wires are there. Only 2 wires has to be there for us. So before that, here you have to see the mainly current direction. The current here current is leaving and then here current should be enter. Now here listen this properly. Now I have taken the current I, let us consider. From that, in this I1 current is going and then this is, otherwise if I take 3I, then how much current will go here? I and then I. It cannot be possible. Why? Because these resistors are here dividing the current. So for that I will take it as I1, this is I means this is I1, I2 and then I3. Just see the route map of that I1, I2, I3. And whatever the currents are going here, they should enter, right? Finally I am giving nothing, but I should get how much? I only again. So that at point B, I have to get the same current I1 and then I2 and then I3. Then only I can get the final current as how much? I. You are understanding now? This is very important. You have to divide the currents first of all properly. And then you have to get the currents properly. For that, here I have taken initial current as I, that is splitting into I1, I2 and then I3. And then that I2, I3, somewhere they are going and then they are coming. They are coming as again I1, I2, I3. Then only I can get the final current I. Clear? So for that purpose, here I1 is going in this direction. Okay, I1 is going in this direction. Here there is a junction. What should happen generally? It has to split. Whenever it is splitting, let me take this is I1 dash and then I1 double dash it is splitting as. Here how much I have to get? Only I1. But here I am getting as how much? I1 dash. Nothing but reduced or not? It should not be reduced, nothing but it should not split here. You are understanding or not? Whatever I am getting from here, that should pass like this exactly. When it is splitting, nothing but at that time what happening here? I am getting the less current here. But I should get how much? Only I1. Clear? For example, this I1 is dividing as I1 by 2 and then I1 by 2. Here how much I have to get? Only I1 only. But how much I am getting here? I1 by 2. Is this energy is this charge is conserved here? It is not conserved. It should be conserved means I have to get I1 only here also. I1 is coming here. Clear? In the same way, here I3 is coming. I3 is coming in this direction and then here it got a junction. What should happen generally? It has to split. Whenever it is splitting, let me take this is I3 by 2 and then I3 by 2, like that is splitting. Then here how much I have to get finally? I3 only. But here getting how much? I3 by 2. Again energy is a charge is not conserved. So that only here the current should not split and then it has to go directly. Nothing but this is not necessary here. It is not going nothing but obviously I can remove this one. Even I can remove this one also. However, it is not splitting, right? If the connection is there or not there also, there is no problem in that. Now next one, if you consider I2, whenever you come to the I2 is going here, it got a junction here. It has to divide in 3 directions actually. But finally how much I have to get? Only I2 only. For example, here current is going. Where it is going? It is not going anywhere. Why? Because connection is not there. And then here also the current is going here. It is not going anywhere till here only it came and then it stopped. Then what happens? Nothing but always the current will go straightly. So that there is no need of this connection, there is no need of this connection. You understand? So how many you removed here? 2 resistors you removed where you are finding difficulty for the current distribution. Then now your circuit became how much here? R and then R is how much here? 2R and then 2R and then 2R. In parallel combination nothing but how much you get? 2R by 3. That is the effective resistance, R effective. Clear? You understand, right, each and every step? So next, whenever we will discuss some more problems, then you can understand that clearly. So only the Wheatstone bridge also will remove that middle one. We will say that current is 0 there. Next problem. In that methodology only we will discuss different problems. I did not take any numbers. Find out RAB. Put the pen on paper and then solve. 2 by? Yes, very good, very good. First of all, I understand which connection you have to remove here. You have to remove the connections here. 2 by 3R. 2 by 3R is the correct answer. If you see the current mapping, then only you can understand that, otherwise you cannot get the answer. You have to remove just a connection, that's it. What is the answer? 2 by 3 R is the correct answer. Two by 3 R is the correct answer. You have to see the current mapping, otherwise you cannot understand. That here I'm so serious, no? Cool. It's okay. Arey Varun, dunnapota. Gaadida, adda gaadida. So I here, I is coming here. From that I, what happening here? I is getting splitted into 3 parts here. That is, first one is I1, I2 and then I3. I have considered like this. Now this I1 is going here, and then finally also how much I have to get? Same only I1 and then I2 and then I3 only. Then finally I. Now whenever you see this one, here I1 is going and then it is coming, but here it is splitting. Here it is splitting. It should not split there. Directly how much I have to get again? I1 only. So that it is not splitting nothing, but you have to remove that. That is the basic idea about that. Next I2. I2 is going here. You don't think that you have to remove this one also. Don't think that. See, it is going and then it is combining again. It is going here and then it is combining here. So that there is no problem in that. And then I3 is going as it is and then it is coming here. Clear, right? You understand which one you have to remove? So before I was having the connection like this. For that, for example, I1 is going in this way means it will split here. So that what happens, nothing but I will not get I1 here. But I have to get only how much? I1 only. So that I am removing this one. Okay, you might be think that why we are not getting, we can get from here also, right? You cannot, even you might be thinking like that also. But the reason is I want to get only I1. Whenever it is splitting, let me take I1 by 2 is coming here, here also I1 by 2 is coming. Then I1 by 2 is coming, but I should get how much only? I1 only. Correct? So that only I am removing this connection here. And then I1 is going as it is and then it is coming as I1 only. Then I2 is splitting here exactly like this. Then what happening? Again it is combining here. So that I2 is I2 as it is there. Then I3 there is no chance to split, only directly it is coming. Correct? Now these two are in which combination? 1 and 2 1? Series. So that this will become how much? 2. These two are in which combination? Series combination. This will become how much? 6. 6 and 3 are in which combination? Parallel. Parallel nothing but how much? 2. Now my circuit became like this, 2, 2 and then finally also 2 only. These 2 together is 2. This entire triangle is how much? That is 2 only. This bottom one is 2 again. What is the answer here? 2 by 3 ohms is the resistance here. Correct resistance. Clear? You understand, right? Yes. What you thought? Why you got wrong answers? ಏನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಪುಷ್ಪನಾ? ಪುಷ್ಪ ಯಾಕೆ ನೆನಪು ಬರ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ? ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಪುಷ್ಪ ಬ್ಯಾಚೇನಾ? Now your values are Yes, find the answer. Find the answer between A and B. పెన్ కూడా ఉంది, ఎక్స్ట్రా ఇలా అదే ఎక్స్ట్రా పెన్ ఇవ్వరాదు. సాల్వ్ చేయవా ప్రాబ్లము? అయిపోయిందా మరి? చెయ్యి. Wrong. 42/3 is the correct answer. 42/13. 42/13. 6, 3. Yes. 42/13 is the correct answer. 42/13 nothing but 4.5. ಇರಬಹುದು. 42/13. ಏನು ಒಬ್ರೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಟ್ ದ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ಯಾ ನೀವು? ತೆಗಿದೀವ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೀರಿ. ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೀರಮ್ಮ. ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲ 3 ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಚ್ಚಾಕಿರಿ. ಮತ್ತು 6 3 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. 18 9 ಇಸ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫೈನಲಿ. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿತಾ ಇದ್ರು. Here nothing should be removed, only connection has to be cut, that's it. Nothing should be removed here. That problems are different, this problem is different, completely different. Don't compare with that. This is based on this problem only, almost same like this problem only. The answer, exact answer is 42/13. Shall I? 42/13 is the correct answer. Nobody got that. Yarge bantu? Anybody got that? 42/13 is the correct answer. See that it is not about removing the resistors and all. Nothing should be removed here. Why? Because in this problem we were having like this only one resistors were there for us, one line is there. Here only one resistor, and then here also only one resistor. But here 2 resistors are there for us. So there is a chance to get the current same only by just replacing the junction, that's it. So what you will do, nothing but here first of all observe properly. Here current I is going, and you might be what you might be think means I is going, I1 has to come, I1 is coming, I2 is coming, and then I3 is coming. So that ನಾನು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಅಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟೇನಾ? ಅದೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಾ? ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? If it is there also I can get the answer. But here If these are there also, I cannot get the answer. I will tell you the difference also. So only I kept the diagram like that only. Clear? Now look at this. Very intelligent people. Sir, Paramananda Shishyagali ellaru. So I1, I2 and then I3. Finally how much you have to get? I1, I2 and then I3. That is what the main headache here, right? Now here 42 by 13. Very good. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಬಲ್ಬ್ ಇವಾಗೆ ಆನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So that here I1 is coming like this. Okay, I1 is coming, and then this I1 is splitting into two parts here. Let me take I1 dash and then I1 double dash. Now finally I have to get how much totally here? I1 means, shall I remove this one here? Shall I remove and then I add directly like this? Yes. You understand? So here I1 dash is coming, I1 double dash is coming, here I1 dash is coming. Finally it is becoming as how much? I1 only. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ? Yes sir. See, this is your convenience. Whatever you want to do, you can do that. So only remove all the threes. Understand the logic, right? So there is a possibility. Without removing also there is a possibility. But here if you consider, in this one, whenever you are coming here, there is no chance here. Like directly here I1 double dash is coming and then I1 double dash will come here. It will not go into this one. You understand? Now you understand difference between them? See that here I1, listen here, listen, please be quiet. And then I1 is going here. This I1 is splitting. In this problem, previous problem I am saying about, I1 dash and then I1 double dash. Then I1 double dash is coming like this. Okay, you might be think that however it is entering the junction only. But it is entering the junction, but it is not entering from the same terminal. You are understanding? But here if you see, it is entering the junction from the same terminal, I1 dash only, I1 only you are getting here. Here I1 double dash is going and then from here I1 double dash is going. So finally how much I am getting here? I1 only. Clear? In the same way, here I3 is coming, this is I3 double dash and then this is I3 dash. I have to get again here how much? I3 only. Then what you have to do? Again remove the connection here also. Clear? So that this is I3 double dash is going and then it is coming here. Okay, I3 double dash. This I3 dash is coming here. I3 double dash plus I3 dash is equals to how much again? I3 only. Here I1 double dash and then I1 dash is equals to how much again? I1 only. Clear? They are entering, they are coming and then entering here. But here there is no chance like that. I will explain you clearly, listen properly. So here like this it is there, like this connection is there, upper connection is there. Now what I am doing, nothing but here I1 is there. That I1 is coming here. Okay, it got a junction here. That I1 has to split, obviously there is no choice. I1 is splitting here, I1 dash and then I1 double dash like that. But here at the end of the day, before entering into the main junction, what I have to get here? Only I1. But here how much I am getting? I1 double dash. If the connection is there like this means, then you can get the answer. You are understanding or not? If the connection is there, see that I1 dash is going and then I1 double dash is coming. Some of them will be how much? However, I1 only. Clear? But now it is not possible, so only I just removed like this. And then even I removed here also. Clear? You understand, right? So, but here 3 resistors are there. 3 triangle shape resistors are there. At that time, anywhere it might be, 3 triangle shape resistors are there means you just remove the connection and then connect them individually. So here I1 dash is going and then I1 is splitting as I1 dash and then I1 double dash. Some of them is again I1 only, so that in my main branch I am getting answer is how much? I1 only. And then I2 is going as it is. See that I2 is not splitting anywhere. If the connection is there means I2 will split, sir. It should not split, right? So that I2 is going straight away. There is no junction there. And then I3 is coming. Here it got one junction here, then it is splitting. It has to be collected again. It is splitting and it has to be collected. And then it is going as it is a single current. Then what is the answer here? 6 and then this is how much here? 6, right? This is 6. 6, 6 are in which combination? Parallel combination. This is 3. 6, 6 and then 3. 15. Then my answer is wrong. My answer is wrong then. No, whatever I said 42 by 13 is wrong. I have taken this as 18 directly. Yuvaraja, wow, great, salute. So this is 3 and then 3, then how much it is? 6. Then down also again how much? 15 only. Then my answer is wrong. That is 15 by 2. Nothing but 7.5, otherwise 15 by 2 into 6 by 15 by 2 plus 6. How much answer? This is 3 and then this is 45, that divided by, this will be 6 to the 12 and then how much? 90 by 27. Yes. 27 and then 2 here, 90 by 27. That's the correct answer. 90 by 27, nothing but it will cancel, I think so. 10 by 3. That's the correct answer. 10 by 3 is the correct answer. How many of you got that? Before me. Yes, very good. Very good. You understand it, how to do this problem? I have taken what I have taken means directly I have taken here 6 only and then 18 and then 18 I have taken like that. Even that also will not get, I think. Where I have done, right? Show me that paper. Anything wrong? 6 2 6 తీసుకున్నానా 14 తీసుకున్నా 14 I have taken 14. Actually I have taken this one, I thought 3 and then 3 6 is a favorite number, that is 2, like that I thought. But Yuvaraja, you also thought like that only. फेवरेट नंबर है बोल के बार बार वही डाल रही हूँ मैं. Right, next problem. Not interested? Nice, no? Feeling thrill? Right. Find that. Right, one more is there. It is easy. No, I will not give this much easily. Same and different? No, same diagram, no? No. It's different. If you are saying same means that is shame. That is different and then this is different. Shame, puppy shame. Why puppy shame will they'll tell? That's the question. Hello sir, Raghu sir, hi. Close it.